Welcome to Dark Lure Finds. Today we're diving into the incredible features of the Apple Watch Series 8. In this video, we'll explore how this smartwatch revolutionizes health, fitness, and connectivity. Let's get started. The Apple Watch Series 8 is packed with advanced health monitoring tools. It features an enhanced heart rate monitor, which can track your heart rhythm and notify you of irregularities. It also includes an ECG app that allows you to take an electrocardiogram right from your wrist. This can help detect signs of atrial fibrillation. A serious form of irregular heart rhythm sleep tracking has never been better. The Apple Watch Series 8 monitors your sleep stages, helping you understand your sleep patterns and improve your rest. People engaging in various fitness activities like running, cycling, and swimming, all wearing the Apple Watch Series 8. Whether you're a casual jogger or a fitness enthusiast, the Apple Watch Series 8 has something for everyone. It tracks your workouts with precision, offering metrics like distance, speed, and calories burned. Set personalized fitness goals and celebrate your achievements with the activity rings. The watch motivates you to stay active, exercise regularly, and reduce sedentary time. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for tracking your swims and other water activities. Stay connected without your phone. The Apple Watch Series 8 supports cellular connectivity, so you can make calls, send texts, and stream music directly from your watch with Siri. You can set reminders, check the weather, or control your smart home devices, all with just your voice. Apple Pay on your wrist makes payments secure and convenient. Just double-click the side button and hold your watch near the payment terminal. The Apple Watch Series 8 is more than just a watch, it's a comprehensive tool for health, fitness, and staying connected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching Dark Lure Finds.